Hello again. So today I'm gonna introduce you to the brand Tools. I bought this bag in Madrid, Spain. Oh no, it's in Toledo when we visited Spain last winter break. So here, so it's just gonna be a quick unboxing. So this is the brand. It's a cute pink bag that they gave us, and Tus is a Spanish brand. It was founded 1920, so it's been like 100 years already. But it's mostly when they open it up, when they started it, it was just jewelries like watches, bracelet, necklace. But the company grew, and now they offered bags. It's a mid-level, I think, if I'm not mistaken, luxury bag. But they do, um, it's a pretty good. Yeah, the designs are pretty nice, very slick, very simple. So here we go. So this is what I got. So this one, this is a pretty big one. I got it in beige. This is called the Amaya beige Amaya shopping tote. See, so that one. So it's a two-way handle bag. You can do it like a shoulder bag. It's pretty cool because we like traveling. So when we travel, I like to bring like tote bags to put everything in there, like our passport stuff. Like, so it's in beige. So it's a two-way shoulder bag, and you can do the handle one, the top handle one. So like that. So this one is pretty cute. See, it's like a rope, like a tie rope handle. So, and then that's the brand. The inner lining is mint green. So it's very cute. And well, when I buy totes, I like it with a zipper closure, so that it can be like, I don't have to lose anything, or you're not gonna be like worrying about spilling your stuff and somebody's gonna grab something inside your bag. And inside, it's a mint green, and there's a small pocket in there with the brand in it. Yeah. So this is my first Spanish brand Tools bag. So yeah, I pretty like it when I saw it. They have stores all over Spain, and I think there's stores also at the airport. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty spacious, so it's good. I like it that way. Yeah, especially I have kids, so it's pretty good for me. Yeah, I like it in white. I know it's a pain to clean, but it's okay. See? Yeah. It's just a very simple bag, but I like how it's very clean looking. And in the handle, you can see that there's the brand too. So yeah, that's it. If you're ever gonna be in Spain, so try this brand. Yeah, it's nice. Thank you for watching.